Hello nursery, it's nice to see you today. Today we're going to be doing some really good listening for the sound S. Can you make that sound? Are you ready? S. Can you say it up in the air? S. Can you say it down on the floor? Can you look one way and say it? Can you look the other way and say it? It's the sound S, and that's what we're going to be listening for today. If we were looking at this sound, this is what it would look like. It's a letter. It's called S, and it makes the sound S. We're going to have a go at listening for that sound today. So we've got some objects here. Can you remember the sound we're listening out for today? S. That's right, well done. S. Shall we have a look at what we've got on the floor today? We've got a pen. Can you say that? A pen. Well done. What's this? That's right, it's a spoon. It is a spoon. Can you say that sentence? It is a spoon. Ooh, what have we got here? It's a sweet. It is a sweet. Can you say that? Well done. We've got a dinosaur. It is a dinosaur. Can you say that? It is a dinosaur. We've got some scissors. Some scissors. Well done for copying me. Great. Good talking. Some scissors. And the last thing we've got here is a bottle. It is a bottle. Can you say that? It is a bottle. So I'm going to say the objects again, and I want you to listen really carefully to the words. Bottle, pen, sweet, dinosaur, scissors, spoon. Now we're going to have a listen out for our sound S. I wonder if you can have a think. Which objects here start with the sound S? Maybe have a go at saying the different objects again. Which ones do you think might start with the sound S? Should we have a think together? We've got a bottle. Bottle. I can hear a b, b, b sound at the beginning, not a S. So I'm going to put that one over there. What else have we got here? We've got a pen. Pen. Does that have a S in it? No, it doesn't, does it? Pen. It starts with the sound P, not S. I'm going to put that one over there by the bottle. How about this one here? This was a sweet. Sweet. Oh, yes, you're right. I can hear the S sound too. Well done. S, sweet. I'm going to put that on our board here because it starts with the sound S. How about this one? Can you remember this was a spoon, spoon. Well done. It does start with the sound S. I can hear it too. S, spoon. Well done. I'm going to put that one by our letter that makes the S sound. What's this one? Dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur. It doesn't start with a S, does it? It starts with a D, D sound, dinosaur. But I can hear a S in that word, dinosaur. You're right, there was a S sound, but it's not at the beginning. So I'm going to put that one over here. And our last object we've got are the scissors. Scissors. Oh, I can hear lots of S sounds in the word scissors. Scissors. Well done. It does start with the sound S. You're right. I'm going to put them there as well. So today I collected some objects that started with the sound S. I found spoon, scissors, and sweet. S. I wonder today if you could have a look around your house and see if you can find any other objects that start with the sound S. Maybe when you're eating your food later, you could have a look at the food on your plate. Is there anything that starts with the sound S? Have a good day and enjoy hunting for things that start with the sound S. Bye-bye.